Okay, so we going live trade today. We are going to trade live NASDAQ and US30. Realistically, I kind of like NASDAQ because there's just a little more accumulation. This has had like a pre-break, but it's touching this. So we're gonna maybe expect a little pullback, a drop off. We're already like minus 400 points today. It just took off to the downside, so we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. So I'm gonna mark up the charts, and we will get to it. This has like a little support and resistance there. Yeah, little support and resistance there. You can see the touches, and then it used it as support to push up. And then I'll mark this up here to see if it wants to respect this zone. That's US30. What kind of trend line do we have here? Anything? I mean, this basically. There's our top right now, and we have this previous resistance used as support, and then we could target maybe down here. If it goes down, it still hasn't touched that gap from like 3 weeks ago. We're just gonna wait until 9:30 and see what happens. We're literally just going to see what happens here. I am in the Mamba Effects Kingdom Discord. We're gonna play. I'm gonna watch his shit, see what he does too. He is very profitable, super profitable. We're gonna keep doing this. Run the 100 up to 1,000,000. I turned 500 into 1,200 last week, and then almost blew my account. That was fun. I put out a video about that on my YouTube. Yeah, it was very interesting. But it just proved to me that it's super easy to do as long as you're disciplined. So I'm not putting no pressure of like when I'm gonna hit 1,000,000. But if it's doubled every week, it's 14 weeks. Could I more than double this week? Definitely. You just can play it and see what happens here. I want to see what happens at this area for US30, or see if it bounces off this EMA. I'm just gonna sip my tea and wait. Got like 7 minutes. Right now my YouTube link is not on the TikTok, but we'll have that up probably tomorrow for the channel at least. So there goes Mamba Zoom. So we will see what happens here. Still got like 5 minutes. 5 minutes and 20 seconds. till open. We trade at 9:30. This has a break now. We're gonna see where this goes. Oh, it's rejecting that. Please, if anyone's trading, do not over risk your account. Do not over risk your account because, you know, can lose your account real quick, as I proved last week. I'm just gonna wait. We have another, what, 3.5 minutes or something till open. Let's be super patient with this. See what happens in the next 3 minutes. See what happens at open. See which level it want to break. Go down to the 5 minute and see what's going on here. There's kind of like another support here. If it breaks that, it's a little more clear on the 5 minute chart. You can see stuff here. Here, little reactions. Came down and touched here. So, let's see what happens here. Another 2 minutes. Just mark lows too. And this kind of already broke this. Like this kind of trend line broke, but we will see what happens. Alright, 30 seconds. Let's see what happens here. This would be wild if it just like shot the hell up, or whatever the hell happens. But I kind of want a little pullback on this one. It would be nice if it like bounced off this trend line again and rejected it and then pushed up. But we will see. It's just hard to get in when it oh Jesus, that was a little hard push. We don't get into those that early. This could melt all the way back down. And this shit. Yeah, because it's touching this little support and resistance area. NASDAQ just took the fuck off, but it's coming back. Let's see. Lots of volume coming into the session. Yeah, I can't even get into that. There's too much. This... yeah, that NASDAQ's gone. Unless it comes back and like retest this and then reject it, it's gone. This... I'm thinking a sell on US30. There we go. Come on. Yeah, here it goes. Come on. It's kind of just dancing around. These have been liking to go the opposite direction, so we're just gonna let it do its thing. If it breaks and continues though, I want it to break past this wick and just go. If it'll drop a little bit more, I'll move my stop loss into profit after this push. Or like at a break even. Come on. Oh. Still got some time on this. We're just gonna let this play. There you go. Come on. Yeah. There's that little bit of a drop. That's basically the position. I'm just gonna put this about break even. We're just gonna take 100 points if that's the case. Come on, give me a little bit more. Give me that nice little push. Looks like it wants to go the rest of the way. We're gonna lock in that, I think $28 we locked in, but we'll see what happens. If it reverses and retraces, it takes me out in profit, and if it continues, then we double the account a day. So there we go. Come on, a little bit more, a little bit more. Come on, a little bit more. I got $50 locked in, so that's half the account. Oh, there we go. Took it out. It took me out right here. Boom. And that's it. That is it, guys. So, I'm gonna come like this. Thank you for coming